Do you understand what's going on screen? Okay, this is a square. No, this one up here, this one is just an introduction. Just look on the screen. Okay, square, say square.
Square.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Parallelogram.
Parallelogram.
Trapezoid.
Trapezoid.
Triangle.
Triangle.
Circle.
Circle.
Okay, so a square has all sides equal. Good morning. Mà cho lôi mơ cái na. Con chết. Okay, so a square has all sides equal. A rectangle, Khmer cái nào đang là Anglais, okay? Square, rectangle, parallelogram with shape like this. Trapezoid nó miền mùi vàng mùi clay. Triangle, this one or that one. So I give you an example. So tell me what is the area of this one? Okay, so if this side is 5, what's the area of this?
5 plus 5.
What's your answer? I know, just tell me the answer. What is it?
Answer. 20. 20.
20 what? Answer, please.
25.
Thank you. What about this one? What's your area? What is your area?
What is the area?
Area.
Oh no, my God, you need a calculator to do this. Holy cow.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
What
is the area of that rectangle?
What's the area of this one?
Oh, yeah. Polygon.
20 what?
Donate.
Right here.
This one, what's the area? What's my area? Area ประมาณ
រកផ្ទៃណាផ្ទៃ
Come on, Venerable, you can do this. ឲ្យកណាមានកម្លាំងតិចមើល
21.
Thank you.
Good job.
Okay, now this one is a little different, okay? This parallelogram, it's look like a rectangle, but it's not. So this one is called the height, okay? So the height is always 90 degrees to the base, okay? So the height is always 90 degrees. So even though you have a lot of numbers to pick from, so you have to look at the area of the parallelogram. So you take the base, this is your base. and this is your height. Anything else you don't care. So if you're looking at this picture, this is your height, and this is your base. So that means the 5, you don't need them, okay? So according to the formula, the base and the height, even though they give you a lot of numbers, but you don't need them. So what is my area for this parallelogram? I need a number, please.
Base time height.
What's your base? What's the length of your base? How long is your base?
Is it 6 or 5?
What is my base?
6.
Good.
Okay,
What's my
excellent.
height?
Yeah.
What's my
What is
height?
height?
High.
កម្ពស់
High 3.
Okay, so what's 6 times 3?
So right here tells you to 6 times 3. So what is 6 times 3?
6 times 3.
អត់មាន use calculator ទេអានេះគេអត់ឲ្យ use calculator ទេស្រួលចេះ
18.
ហ៎
18.
Okay, now this one is really tricky. This shape is called a trapezoid, okay? So a trapezoid has 2 sides that are parallel. Parallel means they go in the same direction. Parallel lines don't meet. So a trapezoid look like this. So when you are looking for the area of the trapezoid, is you take this base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times the height. So this is how you find the area of a trapezoid. Is you take 3 plus 7.
7.
Okay, and then after that you take the average because they're not equal, so you have to add it up and divide by 2. Then after that you multiply by the height, which is 4. Okay, so the area of this trapezoid is base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times the height. So what is 3 plus 7? 3 plus 7 is what?
10.
Very
10
good.
divided by 2.
And divide by 2.
5.
Nice.
5 times
9.
4.
5 times 4 អត់មានប្រើ calculator ទេ ចាំមក
20. Okay, so the area is 20. Okay, all right. What about the triangle? So we know the triangle is base times height divided by 2. So the base is 10 and the height is 3. Okay, so what is the area of this triangle? No,
30.
not 30.
Yeah,
You have to divide by 2. Base times height divided by 2 is a triangle.
15.
15.
Nice job.
Okay.
Good.
What about this triangle here, the one in green? Okay, what's my base?
My base.
8. What's my height? 4. What's 8 times 4 divided by 2? 8 times 4?
32.
16.
8 times 4 is 32, divided by 2
16.
is 16, okay? So
Nice
we have
job.
16.
Good. 16.
Being to take tests, it's a time. You don't have a lot of time to think. You have to be quick. Okay. Okay, so this is a cleaner version. Okay, so please know the area of a triangle. Okay, please know the area of parallelogram. Shape, you know it's a parallelogram. We're not gonna do rhombus yet. You know the rectangle, you know the square, you know the trapezoid, and you know the area of a circle. Okay, area of circle is pi r squared. The distance around the circle is 2 pi r. Yeah, we will get there. Okay.
Oh,
So
Timmy, could I insert something?
Yeah.
So you see this shape, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are called polygon, except these, except the circle. Why do they call the polygon and except this one?
Did you talk about it? Because I haven't talked about it.
No, I haven't talked about it, but it's like perfect example. So
Okay.
look at them. Look at them. Why all of this called polygon, except this one, it's not.
Okay, polygon.
This one?
If you look in the definition, a polygon is a segment. It's a closed segment. Okay. Closed segment. Okay. Segment ហ្នឹងវា straight អញ្ចឹង okay ហើយកាលណាវា close ហ្នឹងបានន័យថាវាបិទជិត So a polygon is a closed segment បានន័យថាបិទជិត អានេះ segment how many segment here 1 2 3 so that's why it's a tri means 3 so it's closed. Parallelogram is a polygon, it's a four-sided, so it's 1 2 3 4, okay, it's closed, it's a segment but it's closed. Rhombus is also a polygon, it's a close. This is not a polygon because it's not a segment, it's a curve. So a circle is not a polygon. Okay?
អានេះឃើញស្រួចឯងវាមានមុំណា There. They all and it's straight line and this one have a curvy line. All the polygon have straight line and it have angle. Circle also have angle, but
Circle doesn't have angle. Circle doesn't have angle because angle is made up of two rays, so circle does not have an angle. Okay, but we'll do more polygon later. Right now, I just want you to find the area. Okay. All right, so let's talk about this one. The one that I sent to your link. Okay.
Okay.
I also give the formula how to find the volume. Okay, and we did some of those volume. Okay. So the volume, this one is a prism because a prism has two bases. Okay, prism has two bases. So the top one is a base and the bottom is the other base. So to find the volume, we take the area of the base. Last time we talked about it. So first of all, when you look at your prism, you've got to identify your bases. Where is my base? And for me, it's the top and the bottom is my base. So you find the area of the base, and then you multiply by the height. So B is the area of the base. So take out your calculator if you like, find me the area of this, of the base. Or if you want to use calculator, what is the area of my base?
Right.
What shape is my base? What shape is it? Is this a square or is this a rectangle? How come I can't hear the Gunti at all?
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh, okay. What is the shape of my base? What shape is it? It is a rectangle, okay? So what is the area of my rectangle?
9.
not quite.
It's
Close.
not 9.
6.
What is the area of my
Yes.
base?
Very good.
6? Okay, so the area of my base is 6. So that's my base here. So area of my base is 6. What's my height?
4.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's 6 times 4?
20,
Give me a rung yul na tia hong wei.
24.
Okay, so it's 24. Write that down on your sheet. It's 24. Okay. Now go on and do example 2. So go to example 2. Okay, so in example 2, just use the same formula. What is your base? What shape is your base? First of all, you have to identify your base. What shape is your base? Tell me the shape of the base.
Example 2.
The base,
The shape, you have to tell me the base first. What
Base.
shape is your base?
shape.
Base is 8 centimeter.
No,
Shape,
we ask for the name of
name,
the
the name of the shape.
Is it trapezoid? Is it rectangle?
Shape, okay, the name of the shape, shape. So what shape is your base? First of all, I have to know the shape. Shape. What shape is your base? I see there's a triangle here, and I see there's a rectangle here.
13 shape 13.
No.
The
Shape.
name. Chua
Shape.
vía.
Pick
Oh.
one of these. What name is your shape? I did not ask for the length. I said, what is the shape?
Yeah.
What
So you
shape
have
is your base? I only see 2 shapes.
Triangle.
I see a triangle and I see a rectangle. What shape is your base?
Triangle.
Triangle. The base is a triangle. So this is your base. Okay?
Angle.
Because there's only 2 bases in a prism. Okay? If you pick a rectangle, it will not be your base, because how many faces do you have for a rectangle? How many faces do you have? 3. 1, 2, 3. So a rectangle cannot be your base. There's only 2 bases. So this is a tilted base. So the front and the back is your base. So your front here is a triangle, that's your base. And the back one is also your base. And your 2 bases are always parallel. They go side by side. So what is the area of your triangle here? Remember the formula for the triangle? What is it? Triangle. What's the formula? How do you find the area for the triangle? Base times height divided by 2, correct? So what is 8 times 7 divided by 2?
8 is 2.
8 times 5 is 40.
40.
54. Click out. Click
56.
56. 56 divided by 2.
28.
Okay, and multiply by the height, which is 13.
Yeah.
Okay, so everybody's gonna be doing the work, and I want you to, at the end, you're gonna check how many right you got, okay? Okay, now this is a cylinder, and again, we apply the same formula. The volume is the area of the base times the height. So the base is it's a circular shape, okay? We don't call this prism anymore, we call that cylinder, okay? So this is a cylinder. You know why it's not a prism? Because the shape is not a polygon. If your faces does not make up a polygon, we don't call those prism. So this is a cylinder because a circle. The base is a circle, so cylinder.
TV.
Yes?
I would have get it wrong. I would have said rectangle is the base of example 2. So why it's not rectangle?
This one, because because the base is there's only 2 bases in a prism, and
Okay.
your 2 bases have to be parallel to each other.
Oh, so this one has 3 base. I mean, the rectangle has 3 sides, right? Ah, thank you. That's clear. Because I'm gonna get that.
Okay, the base can be anything. This one, the rectangle can be the bases as long as you pick the 2 bases that are parallel to each other.
Exactly. Okay. So do you understand? Base, it have to be. There's only 2 base.
And those 2 bases are parallel. They're side by side,
Right.
opposite each other. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank
So
you. Now I'm clear.
What is the area of the circle? Because we have to identify our base. So what is the area of our base? What is the circle area?
Remember the formula?
We did that a couple weeks ago.
Yeah. And you also did that with
Pi
me.
all square, right? Okay, pi all square.បងបញ្ញាមាន get in ទេអត់ទេ Okay.
So
I'm gonna let them calculate and then
yeah.
tell me the answer.
Okay. Good luck.
one
Lươn lươn á.
112.
112.
Okay, so write it down on your paper. We'll check it at the end, okay? Okay, so I'm going up to number 4, okay? Number 4 is no longer a prism because it's only got 1 base. Prism has 2 bases.
Uh-huh.
If you only have 1 base, it's called a pyramid. You know, like the famous Egyptian pyramid, okay? So a pyramid has only 1 base. So when you're finding the volume, you still take the area of the base times the height, but then you have to divide by 3. Okay, so you only have 1 base in a pyramid. So what shape is your base? What shape is it? This is a what? What shape is this?
5.
What shape is that? ឈ្មោះ shape ហ្នឹងស្អីគេ គេហៅអីអាហ្នឹង Is it a triangle?
Yes.
No, triangle have 3
Or square. Square.
No,
square, it's all the same size. Very close. I mean, it could be, but it had to be like 5-5. This one is 5-6. So it's not a square. So we know it's not a triangle, it's not a square. Is that a what is that thing? Is it a parallelogram?
Oh, they're thinking. So, what shape is your base?
Nicole, can you turn it back to the formula, the name?
Oh, the name. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So that base, which one of these?
What shape is your base? Give me a name.
Base.
I think they.
គេឈ្មោះអី base ហ្នឹង If I tell you
Again,
what shape is your base?
turn it back again.
Reticle.
Reticle.
Yes.
Okay, which one? Well, Aung San said square. It's not square.
It's a rectangle.
Rectangle.
Yeah, rectangle. Rect. We mean I saw R. Okay.
Rectangle.
Because RET rect. ហើយដល់ពេលហើយទៅ angle. Rectangle.
Angle.
. Okay. So how do you find the area of a rectangle? You take length times width. So what is 6 times 5?
35.
Ơi, 6 times 5 another 35 លោកម្ចាស់អើយ
អូច្រឡំច្រឡំសិតតែ
6 5ដង6 5ដង35កំតោអត់ផៃហើយអនឡាញលេខមេលេខអស់
Okay, once you got the area of the base, you multiply by the height. Now don't forget, the height is always perpendicular to the base. Perpendicular means make 90 degree, okay? Okay.
Yeah.
So if you don't see a line that make 90 degree with the base, it's not the height. So the height is always 90 degree to the base. See that? You see the 90 degree? That box means it's 90 degree here. Okay, so the area of the base is 5 times 6. Okay, and you multiply by the height, which is 7. After that, you divide by 3. Did you get your answer yet? Okay, so at the end, I want to see who has many right and many wrong. Okay, so I'm going to the second page. Is everybody okay? I'm going to the second page. All right, so here, example 5, okay? Example 5 is, okay, is it a pyramid or is it a prism? Pyramid or prism?
Triangle.
Okay, just pick one. I asked. So far we studied
triangle.
this.
Triangle.
This is a prism, okay? Prism. And this is a pyramid. Okay, again. Prism. Pyramid. Okay, this is a pyramid.
Yeah.
Pyramid. Pyramid. Okay, pyramidដូចតែនៅ Egyptian យ៉ាងហ្នឹងគេ call pyramid. Okay. This one is called prism. Prism. What's the difference between a prism and a pyramid? Prism has 2 bases. Pyramid has only 1 base. Okay. So then I come to number 5. Is this a prism or is this a pyramid?
Pyramid.
Pyramid. That's right. Very good. It's a pyramid. Okay. So what is your base? What is the shape of your base?
Triangle.
Very good. Triangle.
Yeah.
So what is the area of triangle? So this is your base right here. So this is your base right here. Okay. So here's the triangle. So you know which one is your base, which one is the height of the triangle. And this is the height of the pyramid. So there's 2 different height. Okay. This is the height of the triangle of your base. This is the height of the pyramid. So please calculate it and tell me what is your volume. And then at the end, see how many right and how many wrong. And then again, you can go to number 6 because this is a cone, okay? A cone is just like a pyramid. You still have to do what? Base times height, divide by 3. Base is the area of the base times the height, divide by 3.
I think ដូចមិនតន់ស្គាល់ shape ច្បាស់លាស់
Okay, well, that's for homework to think via jam. Something that I could go back to next time.
15.
Okay, so we got
The
6 in
volume.
there. Okay. So then
Number 7 should be easy.
yeah, 7 is surface area, so I have to explain those. So has everybody got number 6? Because I want to check an answer first before we go to surface area, okay? They all have a sheet. I send it in the link. So I tell them to print off the sheet. It's easier to write.
Ah, so they have a sheet right in front of them.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And I send, yeah.
Shape នឹង
Okay, so we're going to check the answer from 1 to 6 and see how many right you got, okay? Ready? Can I stop now?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to stop sharing. And then I'm going to find my answer for a minute, okay? One through 6, right? Yeah. Okay, so now I am going back. Oops. Oh, how come I can't see everybody? Oh, there it is. Okay. Ready? Okay. What's your answer to number 1? Anyone?
24.
24. Very good. So right. Everybody got 24?
If you don't
Okay.
have 24,
Number 2.
die.
Who's got number 2? Number 2 answer. Ayo, nobody got number 2?
No.
Ayo, darling Roy, nobody got number 2. First, you have to identify your base, okay? Your base is a triangle. And the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Okay, so the area of the base. 8 times 7 divided by 2. That is your area of the base. And once you got that, you have to multiply by 13. So what is the volume for number 2?
Three, 6, 4.
364?
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
Yay!
Okay, the way they write, you see that? It's the same thing. Base, the area of the base times the height. And your shape of the base is a triangle. So this is the formula for the triangle. So you take the base of the triangle, 8, times the height, which is 7. Okay, so this height, okay, so this base is 8, and that's height is 7, because right here for that, okay, the 8 and the 7, and this H right here is the 13. It's the height of the prism. Okay, so that's how you get that. Okay, what about number 3? We're doing a lot of the cylinder for the last couple of weeks. So answer to number 3.
1, 2. Wow.
Ôi, chọc buồn.
Ơi, ôi cái lăng vào ơi.
Này nó ăn mấy cầm lăng đấy đi. Ôi, tuần là vui đó lấy.
6 times 5 35 nó cái nào đua bắt ơi.
We gone through that already. When you see a circle, you know there's gonna be pi involved, right?
Okay, you know how to put this in a calculator, right? So this is 4.2 times 4.2 again in the calculator, okay?
Next.
Okay, so we got 3 down. Okay, how many right, how many wrong did you have?
Wrong.
All wrong? Okay, now I'm going to the second one, so hang on. Okay. Okay, why didn't it move? Okay. Okay, I don't know how to make it move. How come? Oh, there it is. Okay. What's your answer to number 4? Anybody got 4? Remember, this is a pyramid. The shape of your base is what? What is the shape? Rectangle. So base times height divided by 3. Ra, you want to run out and get some ice cream today after this?
70.
Every time I feel sad and depressed, ice cream will cheer me up.
Don't like.
I love Dairy Queen.
Number 4 is 70. Yeah, correct.
Okay, how about 5?
$15. Wow.
Did you forget to divide by 3?
Oh.
Yeah, so the shape of your base is a triangle. So you take this triangle here, triangle, that's 9. See, the triangle is 9. And the height of the triangle is 5. And then you divide by 2 because it is a triangle. So half base times height divided by 2, that's your triangle here. And then after that, you multiply by 8, which is the height of your prism. And after that, you divide by 3. Okay, so I don't like the way they do this. Okay, so I would just not looking at all of this. I don't like all of this, okay? So you just look at the triangle here, okay? So the triangle, so you take B right here. So your B here is base, which is 9, times 5, divided by 2, because it's a triangle. So your base is a triangle. It's a triangle. So 9 times 5 is 45. 45 divided by 2. That is 22.5. Okay, so 22.5. So you're going to take that B, which is 22.5. Okay, that B, 22.5, and multiply by 8. And you divide by 3. and that's how you get 60. So do that in your calculator. If you don't get 60, I will check your calculator.
So to be example 4 is a pyramid.
Mhm.
Example 5 is it a pyramid or it?
It's a pyramid, okay? So this one is called a rectangular pyramid.
Okay.
You know why it's a rectangular pyramid? Because the shape of the base. We name the pyramid by the shape of their base. Okay.
Okay.
This one is called a triangular pyramid. Okay. This one is a triangular pyramid because the base is a triangle. Okay. So Yola Nahai. A rectangular pyramid because the base is a rectangle. This is a triangular pyramid because the base is a triangle. You also have a square pyramid if your base is a square. This one is not a pyramid, okay? You know why it's not a pyramid? Because it's not a polygon. So this one is what? A cone. Cylinder, cone. So this is a cone. It's
So
still
what kind of
the
shape is a cone? I mean, it's the base of a cone.
the base is a circle, so you have a circular. We don't call circular pyramid, we call that a cone.
So circular pyramid have a special name called cone. You know, in the summer we can vaccine, we can read the crowd. That would be fun.
Yeah, except I don't have Wi-Fi for my laptop. Oh wait, you don't need a laptop if you study outside. I just need a board.
Yeah. Oh gosh, I miss Prometheum board. Look at that. How can I do anything without board?
You know, at Leap, they don't have Promethean, so I have to project this through the whiteboard and I write on the whiteboard and erase.
Oh. Yeah, I think Salah. Yeah, but Johnson, they have it, right?
Yeah, Johnson has. Every other high school has it except Leap.
Wouldn't you know? គ្នានេះថោកជាងគេអត់មាន
Okay, so what's 6? Why am I so hungry today? Oh my goodness, I ate 2 times already.
18, 4, 6, 18, right? Yeah.
Number 6?
Only ព្រះអង្គ Thia answer. What happened to ព្រះអង្គ San ព្រះអង្គ Chani ព្រះអង្គ Rin?
អូយសូវដាក់នេះ
ងឹតចឹងហ្មង
វាយបង្គំចម្រើនពរ
Hello.
បាទ
អូ នៅស្រុកខ្មែរនេះ ព្រះអង្គបញ្ញានៅស្រុកខ្មែរនេះ
ខ្មែរបងដល់ប្រាសាទបាយ័នបាត់ហើយរៀនតំណឹងហ្មងបានអង្គអ្នកថ្ងៃនេះ
ថ្ងៃនេះគ្រូគាត់អត់តាំងសិស្សគាត់តាំងឲ្យងឹតឆឹកណា
អរធ្វើអត់តាន់ធ្វើមិនតាន់ very fast. Yeah.
មួយ
លឿនពេក
Really?
Yeah, it seemed like they don't
It's easy because we have the formula. Yeah, we just apply the number.
Okay, allow be more. Now that you've seen it, you understand the prism. Okay, the cylinder, the pyramid, and the cone. Okay, so be more up or more, you check the answer already. So now we're going to start with 7 to 15. Okay, so then I'll go slow. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
slow เรียนបាន
Okay,
ចិត្ត 1 ម៉ោង ហើយ
Okay, so number 7, we're no longer dealing with volume. It's surface area, okay? So does everybody pay attention? Surface area, I don't like to look at the formula. I don't like the
The
formula.
same example 1.
No, it's not the same because
Oh,
it said surface area. Number 1 said volume. Okay, there's a difference. ឧបមាថា number 1 កណាចង់ដឹងថាពេលកណាចាក់ទឹកទៅ how much water is in here ប៉ុន្តែ number 7 នេះអត់មានទំហំក្នុងហ្នឹងទេកណាចង់ដឹងថាតើត្រូវទិញ plastic កណាត់ប្រមាណដើម្បីធ្វើប្រអប់ហ្នឹង so you're looking for the wrap around area surface area
ហ្នឹងហើយ
Okay.
ដូចស្អីដូច earth ចឹងណា we looking at the crust.
Okay, so we're looking at the wrap around.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, but come look at the formula. It's confusing. See, this is what you do. You draw it out. Okay.
Mhm.
You draw it out. You draw out your base. Okay. So look at your base. Okay. Your base is what? 3 by 2. And how many bases do you have? 2. Top
2.
and bottom.
Yeah.
So you find the area of this one. You multiply by 2 because it's your base. Okay, you have 2 base, top and bottom. So after you find it, you multiply by 2, okay?
ចាប់លើហើយនៅ
Then-
ក្រោម
Then, okay, then you have this wrap around. What shape is your wrap around? What shape is your wrap around? Also a rectangle, okay? How many of those? How many rectangle to make the prism?
4.
4.
Nice
So when you
job.
find 1, you multiply by 4.
Nice job.
Okay, so the height here is 4. The base of your wraparound rectangle is 2.
multiply
So if you
ដើម្បី
find 1, you multiply by 4 because you have 4 faces. Now you take the top and the bottom plus the 4 wraparound, and that is your total surface area. Okay, that is common sense because the formula is too confusing. So you just break it up, the base, top and bottom, okay? So what is the area of your rectangle here? 3 times 2, Bang San, what's 3 times 2?
3 times 6.
Good job.
So the area here is 6, but you have 2 of them. What's 6 times 2?
6 times
12.
2. 12.
Okay, so the top and the bottom is 12 units
Yes.
square. Okay, what about your rectangle here, the 2 by 4? Okay, what's the area here? What's 4 times 2?
2 by 4 8
Okay, and you have 4 of them because you have 1, 2, 3, 4 to wrap around.
Yeah. ភាពប្រអប់
So what is 8 times 4?
ប្រហែល
24. 20.
30 what?
32.
32. Okay, now add it up. What's 12 plus 32?
44.
44
44.
Okay, write it down on your piece of paper and we'll check the answer at the end. Okay, so now you are doing number 8 and number 9. Okay, I don't want to go too fast. Okay, what shape is number 8?
Very good.
Is this a pyramid or is this a prism?
Pyramid.
Pyramid have how many bases?
Pyramid.
One.
C base.
Pyramid has
Three.
1. Okay, prism has how many
Four.
base
Four base.
base មិនមែនដល់4ទេ maximum is 2
Oh, two.
Two
yeah
base.
so these 2 bases so it's a prism what is the name of this prism
Oh, then
Look at the
rest.
look at the base.
Rest angle. Rest angle.
Oh, rectangle.
Rectangle.
it's not
Rectangle.
Triangle.
Triangle. Triangle.
Triangle.
no it's a triangular prism
Triangle prism.
triangular prism
Triangular prism.
triangle
triangular prism
triangular
Triangular regression.
triangular
Triangular press.
triangular prism
Yeah,
Triangular
try នឹងវា
prism
មានន័យថា3 try ពាក្យថា try នេះវាមានន័យថា3
Peratana try.
so you're gonna break it up again okay you're gonna break it up your base is a triangle so break it up
oh
14.9 okay your base is 14.9 and your height is 8 so break that up how many bases do you have 2 so when you
Two
find
bases.
that you multiply by 2 so what is 14.9 times 8 divided by 2
I don't know
that's a triangle okay 14.8 14.9
14.9
times
by
8
119
divided by 2 because it's a triangle
អញ្ចឹងទៀត117.2
ហើយដឹងគុណមិនឃើញចឹងខ្ញុំសន្លប់បាត់ហើយ
59.
ប្រើ calculator ហើយនឹងឲ្យ
59.6.
លេខខុសទៀត
ចូលមក
59, right?
ចេះហៅលេខនឹងផងធ្វើម៉េច
14.9 times 8 and then divide by 2 what do you get
59.
14.9
59.6.
59.6.
okay 59.6 ចាំព្រោះយើង have 2 you have 2 of them you have the top and you have the bottom so នេះបានតែមួយទេแล้วហើយ what do you do to get the top and the bottom
ឥឡូវចេះសុំសួរសិនបើមិនសួរអត់ចេះបើទៅមុខក៏អត់ចេះដែរ
ចា
ហ្នឹងហើយយកអា14.9 នៅក្នុងវងកញ្ចក់គុណនឹង8ហ្នឹងយកអារូបមន្តហ្នឹងគុណរបៀបម៉េចឲ្យចេញ59.6ហ្នឹង
okay English we take 14.9 multiply by 8 and then we divide by
ហ្នឹងគុណ
2
ទេ multiply ហ្នឹងគុណ
Good.
yeah okay go on
good job asking question
because he
Nah,
came in
object how
late
that.
because he came in late we went over that earlier
យកគុណឲ្យចែកមិនបានចេញ59.6
okay
យកដែលផលដែលបានពីអាគុណ8ហ្នឹងមិញហ្នឹងយកទៅចែកនឹង2ទៅ
អូចែកទៅអត់ឃើញប៉ុណ្ណឹងផង
okay I know what happened okay
មាន calculate នៅក្នុងហ្នឹងហ៎
I cannot get it out okay so if you have a phone so do 14.9 times 8 and then equal tell me what you got 14.9 times 8 what do you have
14.9
multiply by 8
multiplied by 8
and then equal press equal sign
equal sign
yeah press equal in a calculator press equal
no here
ស្មើណាអាហ្នឹងឯង equal sign អាក្រោមនេះនេះឃើញទេអាក្រោមហ្នឹងឯង equal sign
បានប្រមាណ
119.2.
Good.
Sometimes-
Now take that number, divide by 2.
Yeah,
Okay.
divide by 2.
ចែកនឹង2
Yeah, ចែកនឹង2ហ្នឹងឯងបានចេញអា 117.2.
អូ
អត់ទេ119.2 ហ្នឹងចែកជា2ទៅវាបាន 59.6 ហ្នឹងហើយ
No.
do correct do
No. Try again. 14.9 divide.
No, multiply by 8. No, take
Yeah.
119.2
Yeah, multiply by 8
equal.
and equal 119.2.
Okay,
Yeah.
now clear your calculator. Clear. Now
Okay,
take 119.2 divide 2
One.
equal.
9.2. Why? Say like this.
Divide 2
ចែកនឹង
Divide
2
equal.
2. Huh? មិនទៅទេ
ចាញ់អត់
Next.
ឥឡូវគូម្ដងគូដៃម្ដងគូមើលគូឲ្យមើលម្ដងព្រោះអត់ចេះមែនបើអត់ចេះឲ្យធ្វើម៉េចឡើយ
អូល្អត្រូវសួរឲ្យច្បាស់អញ្ចឹងហើយអញ្ចឹងឯងខុស
triangular prism ណែមួយថ្ងៃហ្នឹងចេះតែបើពាក្យហ្នឹងក៏បានដែរ
ចា
14.9
Okay.
times 8
គុណនឹង
Time.
8បាន
Yeah.
119.2
Yeah.
ចាហើយឬ
Yeah.
ទៅអា 199.2 ចែក2ហើយបាន 59.6
How come?
How come? Because
How can to get this result? 119.2 divide 2. Yeah, divide 2. Okay.
you got it?
Wrong number sign.
Good
Okay.
job.
So I need
Click door.
59.6, okay? Area I need 59.6. I need
Okay.
also 59.6, okay? ព្រោះវាមានលើហើយក្រោមឥឡូវយើងរកអា triangular ដែល wrap around នោះប្រមាណ
3 ដុំ
3ដុំ okay? So មើលប្រមាណទំហំវា 10 ឃើញអានេះហ៎
and yeah
Yeah, 10.
10
And what's the
by
height?
10 30
I don't see 30.
Oh, I know why he says 30 គុណនឹង3 because
oh
No, it cannot be that yet because here you got this. How long is this? 20.
20.
Okay. You cannot multiply by 3 yet because each one is different. Okay. Because na khang mok ni, because if you look at this one, what is this?
Okay.
This is 12 by 20. Khang mok 12 by 20. Okay.
Yeah.
បើយើងមើលពីអាខាងឆ្វេងយើងមើលពី
Here.
អាខាងឆ្វេងយើងមើលពីអាខាងឆ្វេងនេះយើងមើលពីអាខាងឆ្វេងនេះអានេះ20 by what 20 by what?
20 by 10.
Yes, 20 by 10. Okay, so you have 20 by 10.
and there's 2 of them.
And then there's one on this side, on the right, because we cannot multiply by 4 because they're not the same shape.
Mhm.
So then you take this one over here, the one right here. So that's 20 by what?
20 by 10 too. 20 by 8.
No, 8 is not here. Okay, 20 by what?
20 by 10.
10 by 10
Oh.
20 by what?
20
thì vì à pi ហ្នឹងវាដូចគ្នាហ៎ទំហំដូចគ្នាហ៎
អត់ទេអា3នឹងទំហំខុសគ្នាទាំងអស់
ខុសគ្នាទាំង3
Yeah,
Oh.
ឃើញទេ I highlight for you here. ឃើញទេអានេះ how
20
long
by
is this?
12.
14.9.
14.9.
14.9. Okay,
Yeah.
14.9. And by 20. So you have to find the area of this one. You have to find the area of this one. And you have to find the area of this one. ព្រោះអានឹងវាយើង row surface area right here. Okay.
So ពិបាក
So yung row area length times width 14.9 times 20 got the answer. 12 times 20 you get the answer. 20 times 10 you get the answer. យើងបូកចូលគ្នាទៅព្រោះយើងត្រូវការវាទាំង3ហ្នឹងហើយនឹងបូកចូលអាហារ6ហ្នឹងអាហារ9ហ្នឹងហើយនឹងអាហារ9ហ្នឹង What is your surface area?
អូច្រើនតម៉េះមកច្រើនតម៉េះ
20 by 12 equal 240. 240.
Oh 12 គុណនឹង24ហ្នឹងហ៎240
Yeah, 240.
Yeah.
240.
Yeah, 240 and
14.9
14.9 divide
No,
multi
20
yeah 298 អត់ទុកឲ្យ
Okay.
គ្រូធ្វើរហូតហើយសិស្សមិនចេះ
The answer is 1736.
Okay, so write it down because I will check that in a minute. គ្រាន់តែឲ្យគូឲ្យមើលទេណា Okay. So when you're looking for the volume, you're looking for what's inside. Okay, inside. Surface area យើងត្រូវទិញកណាត់យកមក wrap around make ជាប្រអប់លើក្រោមហើយជុំវិញទៀត That's a surface area.
នេះ surface area នេះកន្លែងតំណឹងកន្លែងតំណឹងកន្លែងតំណឹង
ជុំវិញទាំងអស់
កន្លែងតំណឹង
តំណឹងហ្នឹងនឹងចង្អោលតាណាទេតំណឹងអ្នកគ្រូ
នេះ See កន្លែងនេះអាហ្នឹង surface area
វាអត់ឃើញ
អូមកអត់ឃើញហ៎នេះ
Because okay, on his phone or laptop he cannot see. Okay, number 9. I'm gonna have to say, okay, this is a cylinder, okay?
Cylinder.
Okay. So, but volume, remember the area of the base times height, but we're not looking for volume, we're looking for area. And this is how you break up the area, okay? Okay. So you have the top and the bottom. So you have the circle here and the circle here. Okay, what's the area of a circle? What is the area of a circle?
Oh no. 3.
No, that's not the area. Okay, because you were missing here. Okay, so the circle area is pi r square. Okay.
Pi r square. Yeah.
Okay, let me see again.
See what?
មិញអាមុនមិញកន្លែងទៅ
I like skull អានេះហើយនៅ skull shape អស់នេះហើយនៅ square rectangle parallelogram trapezoid triangle ហើយនេះ formula វាមករមើលហ្នឹងឃើញអស់នៅ
អត់ចេះទាំងអស់ហ្នឹង
ឃើញអស់នៅ
ឃើញមិនដឹងស្អី
Right here, because this is what you're missing right here. Okay.
Yeah. ដល់កណានេះស្អីខ្លះដែរនេះ
ទៅចាំរូបមន្តណា
ឲ្យរៀនពី
Yeah, you have to remember what is what, okay? Okay. So,
okay, I say 3.14.
okay, say that because at the end I want to see if you got it right. So find it. So you have this one on the top and you have this one on the bottom. You got to find the area. And then this one if យើងពេលយើងបកវាចេញមកណាពេលយើងបកវាចេញមក it's just a rectangle យកសបកកំប៉ុងហ្នឹងកាត់វាចេញឲ្យបកចេញមកវាទៅយ៉ាងចឹងហើយអានេះវា4 4
ចេះមកហើយបកវា
កាត់
មក
វាចេញមកវាអញ្ចឹង
គិតទៅច្បាស់មកណាកាត់កំប៉ុងដឹង
and
អានេះនៅខាងលើក្រោម
and if you look at this one okay you look at this one okay area
how do
នេះ
we
យើងនិយាយ
know?
ពីផ្ទៃក្នុង okay so
How do we know B?
okay just a
Teacher.
minute hold on this is the area ផ្ទៃក្នុង okay C ហ្នឹងបានន័យថា circumference it's the distance around okay distance around yeah distance around so C ហ្នឹងវាអញ្ចឹង
ទីហ្នឹង
C
around
ហ្នឹងវាយើងយកខ្សែមកវាស់ទៅយើងវាស់ជុំវិញកំប៉ុង that's what C is okay C ហ្នឹងវាជា distance ជុំវិញកំប៉ុង C ព្រោះ area វិញវា inside a circle ហ្នឹង okay so យល់ណា circumference ស្អីគេ 2 times pi times the radius អាជុំវិញមាត់កំប៉ុងហ្នឹងវាជា length ជា length ជាខ្មែរមិនដឹងគេហៅអីយ៉ាប់មែនតើហ្មង distance around
អាមួយគិតបរិវេណ
thank you
មួយគិតទៅ
so when I take that pop can cut it and open it this is a 4 right here but this one is the circumference that's go around it okay and that is 2 times pi times the radius កាលណាបើយើងយកអាហ្នឹងមក wrap around វិញទៅអាហ្នឹងវាជុំវិញចាបើកាលណាយើងបកវាចេញទៅវាអញ្ចឹងដល់ហើយ if you need to find the area you take length times width and you know the radius is 3 okay so what is the area of this circle
of the circle អាហ្នឹងនឹងធ្វើមិនបង
មិញហ្នឹងឲ្យមើលមិញហ្នឹង what is this
អាហ្នឹង surface area
no area what is the area of a circle
28.26
okay the area is formula វាមិញហ្នឹង okay pi r square pi is 3.14 times 3 square okay អាហ្នឹងនៅខាងលើហើយអាក្រោមក៏ដូចគ្នា okay យើងរកហើយហើយដល់ពេលអានេះយើងយក4គុណនឹងអាពួកអស់នេះទៅហើយ r equal to 3 okay ហើយទៅយើងបូកចូលគ្នាទៅ that's how much material you need to
និយាយខ្មែរក៏មិនយល់ផងរំនិយាយអង់គ្លេស
អ្នកបកប្រែជួយតិចមក I don't know Khmer term
ឥឡូវគុណអាលោកបរៀនរបៀបគុណអាលេខនេះឲ្យចេញតិចមើលយកអា3
Ra can you take step in គុណណាស្អីគេនោះ
3 14គុណ3លើកជាការ៉េ
3 square ហ្នឹងណា
អត់ច្រឡំ
3 square ហ្នឹង3 times 3 គុណនឹង3 3គុណនឹង3ហើយអាផា
ឥឡូវពលាតលេខហ្នឹងឲ្យរាយមកឲ្យស្រួលមើលតិចមកពលាតចា
so 3គុណនឹង3
អត់ទេយកតាមលំនាំដើមមកវាប្រយកអា 3.14 គុណនឹង3ស្វ័យគុណ2ហ្នឹងហើយមិនដឹងស្វ័យគុណឬក៏ស្អីហ្នឹងដឹងហៅថាម៉េចទេតាណាបាត់ហើយអ្នកគ្រូ
Ra
អា radius នេះ see អា radius នេះគេមិនអោយថា3មិនចឹងហ៎ហើយ formula យើងហ្នឹងថា radius square so បើសិនណាអា radius ហ្នឹងវា3យើងយក3ហ្នឹងមកយើងដាក់ square វាពីលើ right ហើយអា pi នេះគេអោយ pi នេះគេថា each pi equal to 3.14 so យើងដាក់ក្នុង calculator ទៅដាក់3គុណនឹង3វាឡើង9មិនចឹងហើយ9គុណនឹង3 1.14 tới thơ nhỉ right is it lươn phép nhom
Okay, the answer is 131.88.
okay so 9 con nâng 7.14 28.
8.26
yeah okay ឥឡូវយើងត្រូវអាហ្នឹងតែមួយណាតែអាកវងនេះមួយនេះ right
គុណនឹងពីរ
bottom one or the top one អាពីក្រោមហ្នឹងអាកំប៉ុងហ្នឹងនេះអាលើនេះអាលើហ្នឹងវា 28.6 ហើយឥឡូវយើងអាក្រោមហ្នឹងវាប្រប៉ិនគ្នាអញ្ចឹងទេយើងត្រូវបូកគ្នាទៅវាបានប្រមាណអរគុណនឹង2 right
យ៉ាគុណនឹង2
វាបាន 56.52 right យ៉ាអាហ្នឹងយើងរក area ខាងលើរក area ខាងក្រោមរួចហើយ right so យើងបាន 56.52 ឥឡូវយើងចប់ហើយណាអាលើ2ហ្នឹងយើងចប់ហើយនេះអាលើនេះយើងចប់ហើយឥឡូវយើងរកអានេះយើងបកកំប៉ុងហ្នឹងមកទៅវាទៅជា rectangular ហើយយើងត្រូវគុណ4ហ្នឹង2 pi radius so v is 2 pi radius it 26 something right so 2 pi so we go 9 times 3.14 equal that 28 and then time another 3.14 right TV
I was like trying to show him on this one. Okay, this is online calculator. So 3.14 times what? Times
3.14
3.14 times 3 square. Khởi nhé. Knit square yeah. Equal. Okay. Hay thưa ai tiết.
ហើយរីទៅឥឡូវយើងបានមួយយើងបូកយើងរកអាលើមួយអាក្រោមមួយ right so យើង had
យ៉ាងហើយឥឡូវ28.26 ខាងលើ 28.26 ខាងក្រោម
ហ្នឹងហើយយើងថែម 2 ទៅ
ហើយដល់ពេលអា rectangle ហ្នឹងវា 2
yep 2 times
pi and pi is 3.14 times
radius yeah
right
26
អាហ្នឹងតែខាងលើនេះទេណា
ហ្នឹងហើយ
ហើយដល់ហើយទៅយើង time អាកម្ពស់វាប្រហែល4
yeah
okay បូកចូលទាំងអស់ទៅ28ហើយ75ហ្នឹង
so អាកំប៉ុងហ្នឹងដល់ពេលវាលាតទៅវាបាន 75 right ហើយយើងត្រូវបូកអាលើនោះអា26 right 26នៅខាងលើនេះកំប៉ុង26នៅខាងលើ26នៅខាងក្រោមហើយរីទៅដល់ពេលយើងកាត់កំប៉ុងនឹងលាតទៅយើងបាន 75 ហ្នឹង right
okay time to check the answer
you'll have to do it
check the answer
okay check the answer number 7 number 8 number 9 did you get it right
yeah
đại conស្ងាត់ឈឹងហ៎តែកូនរៀន
លោកបើកសំឡេងមិនបានទេឬសូឬសំឡេងធေါ်
អូ
Okay, now number.
Rồi thôi toàn vậy.
Okay, now you have number 10, 11, and 12. Okay. You want to take a break from this, and then we can do that next week. We got 3 more. You can do this on your own. You want to take a 5-minute break?
No, we can do it all.
Okay, tell me number 10. Anh ấy cái how A, mơ nó cái how A. What kind of shape is that?
Pyramid.
Look at number 10.
Very good. It's a pyramid. What kind of pyramid?
How about the base view? Base view nó riêng ấy kì. Oops.
Rectangular.
Triangular pyramid. Okay. Okay, so we are looking for the surface area. Again, okay, you break it up. The base view is it's not a triangular.
Yes.
What shape is my base?
It's rectangular.
What shape is my base? What shape is my base?
Mơ ảnh crown nâng pyramid nâng về mình cặp pool với nè.
Okay, it's a square pyramid because this is a 4x4, so it's a square pyramid, okay? So base unit 4x4, okay?
Okay. So right away, what the area of this base nâng what the area of it? That shouldn't be hard right here. What is the area for this one?
Pyramid.
How many triangular do we have? How many triangle?
3.
How many triangle do we have around this square pyramid?
4.
4. So I'm drawing 4, okay? Okay, so each here is 4. And what's the height of my triangle? 5.
5.
Yeah, okay. So they look the same. So if you find one, you find all, okay? So 4 times 4, what's the area?
16.
Very
Okay.
good.
Now find the area of this one. It's base times height divided by 2. That's a triangle. So go ahead, find it.
So find the area of that triangle.
And then the area of this one, same as that one, same as that one, same as that one. Okay, so wrap it all up.
So what is the
and 11 and 12 the same thing.
Dạ năng do thơ mấy 5 con nâng 7 con nâng 4 này có trái chứ.
Yes. 5 con nâng 4 hay divide by.
Divide.
Okay, the answer is 6 for 1.
Is it 641?
No. 5, 6.
56.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one is 16. This one is 5 times 4 is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So this is 10, this is 10, this is 10, and this is 10. So 10 sai hay nâng 16 viêm 26. And that's what we got. Okay. Okay. Okay, now let's do 11 and 12.
Số 1.
Yeah.
Cho đọc là ưu tiểu hợp bà sân này lùm hạt cái đạm màu hay đọc dân thối dân ấy tiền do bồng này được nạ cửu riêng chẳng do từ thối đi kìa mấy.
We just break it up, dân cắt do là bao nó dân lay it out open and then find the area of each one.
Yes, pel thật té cái ao cả đá muối, cái ao cả đá hay cái ao đầy khmau. Dân ai ta xe nó lên cả đá nâng bán hay transfer chùm lai nâng đặt nơi đi từ.
ប៉ុន្តែពុះបំបែកដូចមិញចឹង
ចាពុះបំបែក
អត់មាន
លៃយ៉ាងណាឲ្យតែចេញយើងអាចគូដូចធាវីធ្វើអញ្ចឹងស្រួល
អូបែ
អត់អីទេ you ទៅ get used to it that's okay don't worry you'll be fine just
I'm so worried because
គណិត
no
នេះ
no
ដល់គណិតរូបយើងត្រូវទី1ចាំរូបមន្ត area អាប្រទេសវិវាអញ្ចឹងយើងមិននឹងគិតគុណណាធ្វើអាដែងបរិវេណវិវាឲ្យដឹងចំនួនយើងត្រូវដឹងអាប្រទេសវិវាតាមមើលគេឲ្យយើងរកប្រទេសឬក៏រកអាដែង survey area ហ្នឹងអាដែងបរិវេណវាហ្នឹង
Okay, so the base is a triangle. So find the area of a triangle, and then you have 3 triangular that wrap around it. There's 3 of them, okay? មើលអាខាងក្រោមឃើញអាខាងក្រោមទេ That's a triangle. So base times height divided by 2 here. Base times height divided by 2. Base times height divided by 2. ហើយដល់ពេលអាខាងអា triangle វាមាន3ពុំមាន3ខាងមុខចំហៀងនេះចំហៀងនេះ so you have to បកវាចេញមកអាខាងក្រោមនេះយើងដឹងហើយ12 times 10.38 divided by 2ហើយយើងមានមុខ3វាបកវាចេញមកអូខេនេះខាងមុខអាខាងមុខនេះណែមើលអត់ឃើញទេ
អារូបហ្នឹងស្នុកមើលយករូបមិញអារូបហ្នឹងគូបកហើយចេញណាយើងមើលស្នុកមើល
6 here. Oh, 12ទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងអានេះក៏12អានេះក៏12 12ទាំងអស់
រូបហ្នឹងអានឹងនេះវាស្មើគ្នា
Yeah, equilateral triangle.
ហើយអានឹងវាខុសតែកម្ពស់ដែរ
Okay, yep. So this one is also 12. Oh, the face is the same. Yeah, because this is 12. I need 12. I need a 12 there. See, 12. I need 12. 12 by 6. So ខាងមុខអា3ហ្នឹងដូចគ្នា 12 by 6. Okay. Good job. And then once you got it, jump out my answer. Now I help you open this one. This one is a triangle, circular. ហើយដល់ពេលអនុបកចេញមកវាចេះ
circular prism ប៉ុន្តែគេហៅ cone
គ្រូបញ្ជាក់ពាក្យថា2នោះស្អី
This is a triangular pyramid. Okay, because the base is triangle, so it's a triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid here. This one is a cone. Ice cream cone.
ដូចការ៉េមដែលគេដាក់ពីលើទៅយើងញ៉ាំ
This is what high school student doing. So if you're taking GED test, you are testing what high school student need to know. This is what I teach in high school.
Teacher, I want to know 3.14, right? 3.14 is B. I don't know, but now when if we want to know B, how do we know B?
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
B.
This is your base. Your base is a circle, and the circle is pi r square. Your base is a circle. Remember?
we call pi.
Yeah, right here is a circle, and the area of a circle is pi r square, and pi is 3.14. Okay, this is a circle, so you remember the formula we put out in the first place? Yeah.
So
Okay.
មិនយើងដឹងថានោះវាមានចំនួននោះ
cái áo
Right here, they give it to us.
yeah ដែលពាក្យដែលថា pi ហ្នឹងវាមានចំនួន3.14 អញ្ចឹងហើយវាមាន number ទៅក្រោយទៀត yeah
Pi is always 3.14.
គេឲ្យយើងណាហ្នឹងណា
Pi is always 3.14.
អញ្ចឹងបើសិនគេឲ្យខុសពេលនោះទៅ
No, pi is always 3.14.
មានន័យថា pi ហ្នឹងវាកំណត់តែប៉ុណ្្នឹងឲ្យតែ
ហ្នឹងហើយ
មកពិភពលោកទាំងអស់ហ្នឹង pi is 3.14.
ហើយអាសញ្ញាហ្នឹងតែឃើញសញ្ញាហ្នឹងគឺដឹងថា 3.14 ហ្នឹងហើយឃើញសញ្ញាហ្នឹងហើយសញ្ញាហ្នឹងហៅថា pi pi no I'm sorry yeah
pi yeah pi
តែឃើញ pi ហើយដាក់3
No. Do you see pi in my this is pi right here, see it?
ហើយចំណោទទៅមិនស្រាប់ហើយ
Yes.
yeah ហើយដើម្បីរកអាមូលអញ្ចឹងរកអា circle អញ្ចឹងត្រូវដាក់ pi ហ្នឹងហើយតែឃើញ circle ហ្នឹងអាមិនpolygon ហ្នឹងគឺរកអា pi ហ្នឹងហើយ radius នេះពីកន្លែងនេះមកកន្លែងហ្នឹងអាហ្នឹងគេហៅ radius ហើយ radius ហ្នឹងត្រូវដាក់ square 2ប៉ុណ្ណឹង pi ចាញ់ហើយចាញ់ចម្លើយហើយ area វាហ្នឹង
Okay, like banចម្លើយ now, do you get the answer to 12? And 13 and 14 ធ្វើទាំងអស់ទៅ
អូយថាធ្វើទៅអត់រួចទេប្រហែលដូចមើលទៅដូចមិនទាន់យល់
I was gonna do the area of squares and rectangle and triangle, but I thought they already have a base knowledge because they already have schooling. So I thought maybe I'll just jump into putting pieces together.
Yeah, I think Dakontia probably the only one that kind of, understand because he didn't even know what pi is. So that means he never find the area of a circle or any kind, right? Maybe.
This paper is in your email. So, I did not think that you studied this kind of problem.
Yeah, តែគុណបញ្ញាដែលរកអីប្រើ pi នឹងដែរ
រកវ៉ែនតា
មានតែបានចូលចឹងយើងត្រូវចាប់ដើមតលពីឆ្ងាយមែនតើណាធីវី because it sound like only ដែលគុណធាចាប់បានអញ្ចឹងតលចាប់ដើមពី basic មកហ្មង
You got the book, so read the math section. So start from the very beginning.
Okay ណែmath ហ្នឹងខ្មែរគេហៅអីដៃគុណ
គណិតវិទ្យា
ចា
គណិតវិទ្យា
យ៉ាគណិតវិទ្យាហ្នឹងវាមានច្រើន
គណិតវិទ្យាហ្នឹងវាមានច្រើន Yeah a lot
វាមានច្រើនណាស់គណិតវិទ្យាហ្នឹងប៉ុន្តែអាពីរដែលយើងត្រូវចេះហ្នឹងគឺគេហៅ basic basic math អាហ្នឹងមកចែកស្អីចំណោទហ្នឹង ហើយរួចទៅមួយទៀត geometry អានេះហៅ geometry គណិតវិទ្យាដែរតែវាខាងគេហៅ geometry ហើយរួចទៅវាមានមួយទៀតគេហៅថា algebra so you need to know all three of them and so far it seemed like you cannot do geometry or algebra yet you need to master the basic អ្វីទៅជា number ដូចយើង learn you know odd number even number អីចឹងទៅហើយបូកលេខចែកលេខ fraction អីចឹងទៅទល់តែអានឹងវាឆ្អិនទៅបានយើងចូលមក you know អាអស់នេះ I guess ដល់ពេលចូលមកភ្លាមចឹងអត់មកពីក្រោមច្បាស់លាស់អត់ទៅមុខទេ
អត់តន់តែអាត្មាឬក៏អត់មានអង្គណាអត់តន់ទៀតបើអត់តន់តែអាត្មារៀនតាមក្រោយ
No អត់ទេមិនចឹងទេ
Oh, this one is not surface area. This one is volume. Okay, this one is at volume. Read the direction. Volume. This one is surface area. Vậy ta thơ tay chẳng đó nè, ta nhàm thơ tới, they don't look for surface area.
Yeah.
This one they're looking for volume.
Yeah.
So volume is base times height, and the area of your base is a triangle. Okay, so that's a triangle.
ដេចគុណបញ្ញាសួរខ្ញុំថាសួរកណាថាតើដេចគុណតែម្នាក់ឯងគត់ដែលមិនទាន់តាមយោបល់កណាដេចគុណសានដឹងថាមិនទាន់ព្រោះអីដេចគុណសានតើរៀនដល់ថ្នាក់ទី 6 ថ្នាក់ទី 6 អត់មានទាន់ចូលអានឹងទេ
អង្គណាអង្គសានអង្គមួយណាចេញមុខមើល
កាប់ភុំ
ចា
អង្គមួយណាអង្គសាន
អង្គសាននឹងក្រៅហើយរួចទៅដេចគុណរៀនខ្ញុំកណាមិនសូវដឹងទេប៉ុន្តែដេចគុណរៀននៅស្រុកខ្មែរនឹងបានដល់ថ្នាក់ទីម៉ាន
មករៀននៅស្រុកយួនដែរ
អូស្រុកយួនបានដល់ថ្នាក់ទីម៉ានដេចគុណ
ទី 12 ជិត20ឆ្នាំហើយ
អញ្ចឹងដេចគុណចាស់ហើយអញ្ចឹងដេចគុណអត់មានបញ្ហានឹងនេះទេដេចគុណ
ចេះហើយ
ចាដេចគុណបញ្ហាដេចគុណគឺភាសាអញ្ចឹង
ភាសា
ដេចគុណបានរៀនដល់ថ្នាក់ទី 12 ចេះអស់ហើយអានេះអញ្ចឹងវាមិនភាសាទេ
យកគ្រូអស់ហើយ
ទី 12 10ពេជ្រកណិតទេនោះមិនដល់កណិតវិទ្យាដល់ពេជ្រកណិតទេ
ចាដេចគុណអត់មានបញ្ហាទេមានបញ្ហាតែភាសាទេហើយ
តើលំលឹកមេរៀនតើ
ចារំលឹកមកវិញឲ្យតែចេះភាសាទៅចេះហើយដេចគុណធាក៏អញ្ចឹងដែរឲ្យតែចេះភាសាទៅដឹងថាវាឈ្មោះអីទៅចេះហើយ
រៀនកាលនោះយូរហើយឥឡូវជ្រុះអស់ហើយជ្រុះតាមផ្លូវ
ចាជ្រុះអីហើយប៉ុន្តែបន្តិចទៀតទៅវាចាប់មកវិញហើយចុះដេចគុណបញ្ញារៀនដល់ថ្នាក់ទីម៉ាន
បានតែបានរៀនទេបួសតែបានរៀនផងបួសនៅតែវត្ត
ពោណូអត់ទេកុំដាក់ខ្លួនបានរៀនដល់
បើចេះប្រាប់ថាចេះហើយចាំបាច់
Did we already check the answer to 10, 11, and 12?
Algebra. I think TV Ông Thia and Ông Rin can go just focus on the language but Ông San and Ông Panya ត្រូវចាប់ផ្ដើមពីក្រោមមកសារជាថ្មី
You can open a new Zoom.
Yeah, I think it has to be like that.
អង្គណាអង្គសានអត់ឃើញមុខ
Because it's very frustrating for them, you know.
Okay, you got the answer? 10, 11, 12, how are you? Okay, what about 13 and 14?
13 and 14.
Yeah, so here's my 13. And here's my 14. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, well, this one, 15, 16, do it on your own because you already got the volume because this is volume, okay? It's the same one, this is volume. So now I need to take a break.
Yeah, dân chop ấy.
Mình take a break.
No, they can do this.
I can.
Because now they have to find the volume. They know how to find the volume, so find the volume. Or you can do this on your own and then we can check the answer. Or you can tutor them for the next 20 minutes. I need a break.
Okay, តែគុណធាយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមពីម៉ោង 6 ដល់ម៉ោង 7 ឬក៏ដល់ម៉ោងប៉ុន្មានព្រោះអីកណាឃើញ
8, 6 to 8.
I only see 6 to 7.
No, no, mong chân
We
buồn này.
start early. I thought we start like 4.
No, 6 to 8. 6 to 8.
Check the chat.
On
I put in the
Sunday,
chat.
but on Friday we start from
6 to 8.
6. Yeah.
Check the chat. I put it on the chat.
Okay, so 8. So we have 40 នាទីទៀត
Yeah.
Okay, so 20 នាទីទៀត go ahead TV, you can take a break.
No, I just need to walk because my neck is tired. I need to get up and stretch. This one, volume. I'm coming back.
Okay.
Here, volume. And we just talk about volume. This is prism, 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 cylinder, prism, cylinder.
Yeah.
Cylinder.
Yeah, and I look at those already when you send it. Okay. អញ្ចឹងយើងព្រះអង្គរៀន and ព្រះអង្គធា go ahead and do 1 through 6. Okay. ព្រះអង្គបញ្ញាហើយនឹងព្រះអង្គសានយើងនិយាយគ្នាម្ដងទៀត Okay. So នេះរូបនេះឃើញមួយឯងមួយឃើញឯងព្រះអង្គសាន
Oh, so small.
មើលអត់ឃើញ
ឃើញតែវាតូចវាប្រឹង
ទេអូ
ព្រោះសារប្រើទូរស័ព្ទអញ្ចឹង
I send it to your email.
បោះកណាវ៉ាន់កណាបានឃើញធំល្មមមើលដែរចាព្រះអង្គបញ្ញាឃើញធំដែរ ឃើញមើលឃើញ Okay. So អានេះវាជាប្រអប់នេះដូចប្រអប់
អានេះនោះវាមើលអត់ឃើញទេវាឃើញតែរូបនៅក្នុង computer នេះទេអត់មានឃើញអានេះនោះទេ
អូដែលកណាកម្មនេះមើលអត់ឃើញហ៎
យ៉ាខ្ញុំបង្ហាញតែ
ចឹងឃើញមកកណាដែរចឹង
អត់តែមុខមិនឃើញផងរំឃើញអានេះទៀតណា
អូមិនចឹងព្រោះអីកណាឃើញមកព្រះអង្គទាំងអស់គ្នា ចុះអ្នកគ្រូប្រើអីប្រើ computer ឬក៏ទូរស័ព្ទឬក៏ iPad ឬក៏ស្អី computer ចុះអាត្មា computer ដែរមិនបានអត់ឃើញហ្នឹងបានថាឃើញចុះដែលកូនរៀនឃើញមកខ្ញុំកណាដែរឡើងតែជួបលើមកនេះណាឃើញហើយមកពីអាត្មាដាក់អាពីរហ្នឹងអូខេឃើញប្រអប់នេះហេឃើញហើយប្រអប់ហ្នឹងហើយប្រអប់ហ្នឹងអានេះហ្នឹងគេរក volume គេរកអាស្អីនៅក្នុងប្រអប់ហ្នឹងនេះក្នុងប្រអប់ហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងពេលឃើញរៀងប្រអប់អញ្ចឹងគេហៅថា rectangular prism ពាក្យហ្នឹងប្រអប់អញ្ចឹងគេមិនហៅប្រអប់ទេគេហៅក្នុង math ក្នុងអសម ក្នុងពាក្យ math គេហៅ rectangular prism ហើយ rectangular prism ហ្នឹងវាមានមុខប្រមាណវាមានមុខ1នៅក្រោមនេះហើយនៅលើនេះ2ជាហៀង3 4 6មែនចា៎ Okay so មុខនីមួយវាមានលេខវាមានកម្ពស់វាពីនេះមកនេះកម្ពស់ប្រមាណពីនេះមកនេះអញ្ចឹងឥឡូវមុខហ្នឹងមុខទី1ហ្នឹងទទឹងនេះវា5ហើយកម្ពស់កម្ពស់ប្រហែល4ហើយបដោយ8ដែលកូនយល់ហើយយល់ហ្នឹងហើយ so ទទឹងនេះកន្លែងទៅនេះទទឹង5ហើយនឹងអូដាក់ចេះ sorry ដាក់ចេះណាដាក់ចេះ so ទទឹងនេះ5ហើយកម្ពស់នេះ4ហើយនឹងបដោយនេះ8នេះកូនយល់ហើយ
តាមពិតប្រអប់នោះប្រវែងគ្នាទេ
ចា
ប្រអប់ហ្នឹងកម្ពស់ហើយនឹងទទឹងហ្នឹងប្រវែងគ្នាទេ
ឧទាហរណ៍
ចាក៏ប៉ុន្តែយើងដាក់ថាវាជា4ជា5ជា8ដែលកូនយល់ហ្នឹងហើយអូខេហើយដល់ពេលយល់ចឹងហើយថាប្រអប់ហ្នឹងឥឡូវត្រូវរកស្អីត្រូវរកចំនួនទឹកនៅក្នុងប្រអប់ហ្នឹងvolume ហ្នឹងគឺទឹកហើយបើត្រូវរកទឹកត្រូវរកបដោយគុណនឹងទទឹង
volume ហ្នឹងប្រែថាទឹកវិញ
no
បរិមាណ
ទំហំផ្ទៃនៅក្នុងហ្នឹងដាក់បានប្រមាណនៅក្នុងប្រអប់ហ្នឹងvolume ហ្នឹងដូចថាដាក់បានប្រមាណគីបអីចឹង
volume
ចឹងណាហើយបើចង់រក្នុងហ្នឹងក្នុងប្រអប់ហ្នឹងបានប្រមាណអាហ្នឹងគេហៅ volume អូខេហើយបើរកខាងក្រៅនេះរកដូចយកថង់កៅស៊ូមករុំវាហ្នឹងមករុំប្រអប់ហ្នឹងអាហ្នឹងគេហៅ surface area បើរកទំហំខាងក្នុងហ្នឹងគេហៅ volume so ឲ្យស្គាល់ the different អូខេហើយ so ត្រូវយល់3ត្រូវយល់ volume ត្រូវយល់ surface area ត្រូវយល់shapes right ត្រូវយល់ឈ្មោះរាងវាដូចថារាង4ជ្រុងរាង4ជ្រុងទៅវែងរាងហ្នឹងឲ្យត្រូវឲ្យដឹង so ប្រអប់នេះគឺគេហៅថាប្រអីអានេះវា rectangle right so ពេលវាឈួរអញ្ចេះគេហៅ rectangular prism ហើយកន្លែងអង្គុយនេះអានេះក្រោមនេះអូខេ so surface area យល់ surface area ហើយនឹងvolume នៅយល់ទេ surface area គេរងក្រៅនេះ
ខាងក្រៅ
ចាខាងក្រៅ surface ហ្នឹងដែលមានថាលើអានេះគេហៅ surface អូខេ volume គេរកខាងក្នុងនេះដាក់បានស្អីខាងក្នុងនេះអូខេ
Okay, Ras, stop explaining.
Yeah.
You can stop explaining.
Yeah. ហើយដល់ពេលចឹងទៅហើយអានេះគេហៅ shapes. So អានេះ shape អីអានេះ square, right? 4ជ្រុងស្មើគ្នាគេហៅ square. ហើយអានេះrectangle ហ្នឹងហើយឥឡូវត្រូវដឹង4នឹងឲ្យច្បាស់ volume is ខាងក្នុងរកខាងក្នុង surface area រកខាងក្រៅហើយ shapes is នេះរាងក្នុងព្រាយវានេះ right okay so បើសិនណារក volume យើងត្រូវគុណកម្ពស់បដោយហើយនឹងទទឹង
គុណទាំងអស់
ហ្នឹងហើយហ្នឹងបើរក volume ណាគុណត្រូវគុណទាំងអស់នេះគុណបដោយទទឹងកម្ពស់ហេពេលណាគេឲ្យរក volume ត្រូវធ្វើអញ្ចឹងគុណ
Okay, now can I ask the other student what number are they on?
Okay.
Volunteer, what number are you on?
Okay. So,
number 1.
hello.
On Johnny, what number are you on?
Right.
What number did you get your answer? Tôi đã lên mà này.
Tạm ăn một ly không? Wow. Cool.
Okay. So, ព្រះអង្គបញ្ញាទៅណាហើយអង្គបញ្ញា
នៅពីមុខហ្នឹង
ចា ហើយឥឡូវ volume យើងត្រូវគុណបណ្ដោយតតឹងហើយកម្ពស់យល់ទេអញ្ចឹងឥឡូវយើងគុណ5គុណនឹង8 40 right
5គុណ8
40គុណនឹង4ប្រមាណ
44ដង160
excellent អានឹងហើយដែលគុណរកឃើញហើយ volume នៅអាលេខ1ហ្នឹង160ហ៎ហេត្រូវហើយ160បោកគេអត់មាន unit ផង
That's fine. What's number 2?
ឥឡូវ number 2 គេរក volume នឹងទៀតតតឹងគុណនឹងបណ្ដោយគុណនឹងកម្ពស់ឥឡូវប្រមាណ
អាហ្នឹងមើលលេខអត់ឃើញនឹងលេខអីខ្លះលេខ3ទាំងអស់ហ៎
លេខ3អូលេខ3
អានោះ square
very good អាហ្នឹងហើយ square prism ពេលវាទៅជាបកចឹងគេហៅវា prism បើវាតាមមក you know គេហៅ 3D 3 dimensional តែទេអាហ្នឹង square okay
What about number 3? Ban.
To raw volume right here you have to go តតឹង which is 3បណ្ដោយ3កម្ពស់3 so 3 times 3 is 9 9 times 27 very good so ធ្វើ number 4
អាហ្នឹងដូចគ្នា
ព្រោះ prism ដូចគ្នា right
number 4 67ដងប្រហែល
67ដង
67ដង
42 420ហ៎
60
Yeah, San, did you catch on that? តតឹង6បណ្ដោយ7កម្ពស់10 so កុំ
អាលេខ3នេះអានេះ6នោះមិនមែន radius ទេណា6នេះ is a diameter ពីមួយជាហៀងទៅមួយជាហៀងនេះគេហៅ diameter ម្ល៉េះហើយបើ diameter 6 what is your radius?
Okay, we'll do 5 first, okay? So they get to that and then we'll get that. Okay, so អានេះអង្គសានហើយនឹងព្រះអង្គបញ្ញាធ្វើខ្លួនឯងធ្វើម្នាក់ឯងឲ្យចាញ់
មួយណា
number 5
number 5 ហ៎
yes បណ្ដោយ
សរសេរលេខដល់អាលុបអស់លេខហ្នឹង
កម្ពស់ហើយ TV ទៅសេនេះ
បណ្ដោយ
1.5 1.5
អូដោយតានេះដែរយ៉ាអូខេ
Okay, number 6 2 3 5.5
number 5 3.375
Okay, ត្រូវទេ
3.375 ត្រូវអត់
Okay, let me calculate it.
Number 5?
Yeah.
1.5 times 1.5 times 1.5. Okay, 3.37 ត្រូវហើយ Okay. So ព្រះអង្គសានហើយនឹងព្រះអង្គបញ្ញាមើល number 7 Okay.
យកលេខស្មុំមកលេខទូចមកយកអាចចោលផងហ្នឹងអត់ទៅពេលណាចាំយកលើស
TV can you លើកអានេះឡើងទៅលើក slide ទៅលើបន្តិច
មាន number 7 ណាឃើញមក
number 7 លើកឲ្យ TV លើកបន្តិចសិន Yes so number 7 កណាអានឲ្យស្ដាប់ណាទេព្រះអង្គសានហើយនឹងព្រះអង្គបញ្ញាចាំស្ដាប់ប្រអប់នេះប្រអប់ហ្នឹងដូចយើងរៀនបានរៀនហើយប្រអប់ហ្នឹង rectangular box ហ្នឹង volume វា80ណាបរិមាណវា80 cube ហើយរួចទៅ tầng vía 4 cặp po vía 4 right hay cái suro what is the height
Yeah.
of the box so dương đăng tha tầng con nâng bật đói con nâng cặp po về tranh volume lâu nè chấm nào ní cái áo volume dương 80 hay cái áo bật đói 4 hay cái áo tầng 4 ta dương rồi là biệt mách ơi khơi cặp po nè cặp po ọp nè dương thơ mấy ơi cặp po nâng dương rồi cặp po nâng bàn
giờ tự tân con nâng bà đói rồi hay giờ vào là dùng chai nâng là tập phò
nâng
Đây
à
tới.
mua
nâng à thơ mơ chanh mà màn
Bẹt
và ông san vô lấy
bẹt sắp chai nâng đọc vào mua
nâng à 80 chanh đọc với chanh mà màn
phai
ok ông san khơi màn
number A
ông san khơi chăng đai ớt
How about number 3 and number 6?
Yeah, coming. Ta gai.
ông san khơi màn ông san
អាហ្នឹងយក80ចែកនឹងអាហ្នឹងអត់5ឯង
Number 6 is 2 3 6
យ៉ាព្រះអង្គបញ្ញាលះហាស់មែនទេមកផ្លេតប្រត់ចាញ់មកបាន that's good okay អញ្ចឹងយើងឥឡូវយើងរកមើលណាទៀតចេះមានបក
Okay, number 9.
ហា
No, student just the 12 ទៅ and now write the answer down.
yeah number 8 let's do number 8ព្រះអង្គសានហើយព្រះអង្គបញ្ញាអូខេយើងមើល number 8 ណា
number 8មើលឃើញហ៎
អូខេមើលឃើញនៅ
wooden grade Mr. 5 feet
grade នឹងប្រអប់grade នឹងប្រអប់ដាក់ទឹកដោះគោ
Mr. 5 feet
measure 5 feet long so បដោយវា5 right yeah hi what is the grade volume in feet so គេឲ្យតែមួយទេគេឲ្យតែមួយជាហៀងទេបើវាស្មើគ្នាអា grade ហ្នឹងវា
and H is again H
This is an edge right here. That's an edge. This is an edge.
okay
This is an edge.
and grade T ហ្នឹងស្អីគេ grade T
ប្រអប់នេះ
what is the grade T
មើល number 7 នេះប្រអប់
It's crate. Crate. This is a crate.
ប្រអប់ដាក់ទឹកដោះគោតម្រៀងវាដូចចេះអញ្ចឹងឯងចាហើយ
okay the equal number C
C okay so 5តតឹង5បដោយ5វា25អញ្ចឹងហ៎ហើយកម្ពស់5 25គុណនឹង5បាន125 very good excellent job okay so okay hi so that អានឹងហើយគេហៅ
circular. Number 9.
But they don't know how to find the circle yet.
Number 9 where number 9 okay let me see question 9 refer to the following drawing
ដៃគុណបញ្ញា how about នឹងដៃគុណសាន how about មើល number 6 okay
number 6
មើល number 6 okay អានេះគឺជាមូលរបស់អីមូលណាស្កបផែនវាមូល
ផែន
ចាដូចស្កបផែនហ្នឹងហើយស្កបផែនណាស្កបផែនណែស្កបផែនហ្នឹងគេចង់របរិមានៅក្នុងស្កបផែនហ្នឹង
number 9 the answer is B right
C.
okay
Go with the
Bye.
eye. Okay, yeah. No, stop sharing. C, number 9 is C.
We
At
look
khơi
at
nhỉ?
number 6, TV.
What?
Can we look at number 6?
Yeah, I accidentally closed eye, so hang on.
Oh, okay.
1 ម៉ោង 2 ថ្នាក់ចឹងញ៉ៃញ៉ៃទេ
ប៉ុន្តែព្រះអង្គទាំងពីរយល់ហើយពេលគេរកអាទំហំនៅខាងក្នុងមិនចឹងហ៎
អត់ទេមិនទាន់ clear ទេព្រោះថាទូផ្ទាល់នឹងសួរអស់អាចអស់នំនឹងច្បាស់ហ្មង
ចាចាំតាបណ្ដោយគុណនឹងតឹងគុណនឹងកម្ពស់
មើលឲ្យចាំរូបមន្តវាមិនទេចាំរូបមន្តអូខេ
អូខេ
What do you want to see? ចាំមើលរូបអី
Number 6
number 6 អូខេ number 6 អានឹងជាមួយផ្សេងទៀតណាដៃគុណទាំងពីរជាមួយ
អាហ្នឹងអង់គ្លេសវាហៅថាម៉េចវាហៅស្អីអាហ្នឹង cycle មែនទេ
Cylinder.
cylinder មកពីពាក្យថា circle ហ្នឹងហើយ circle ហ្នឹងបានន័យថាមូលមិនចឹងហ៎ចា
cylinder
ហើយយើងហៅវាថាស្ករផែនណា
cycle ហ្នឹងគេហៅរង្វង់
ចារង្វង់ហ្នឹងហើយ so យើងចង់ដឹងថាប្រអប់មូលនេះដាក់ស្អីបានប្រមាណអាហ្នឹងហើយ so យើងយល់ហើយថាដោយទូទឹកកកនេះណាប្រអប់4ជ្រុងនេះយើងគុណបណ្ដោយនឹងតតឹងនឹងកម្ពស់ហើយដល់ពេលនេះវាខុសគ្នាបន្តិចវាមានកម្ពស់ហើយវាអត់មានបណ្ដោយវាអត់មានតតឹងទេប៉ុន្តែវាមាន radius ណាពីអាខ្មៅកដាលនេះមកដល់នេះអាហ្នឹងវា5ព្រះអង្គឃើញទេឃើញ5ទេ
អង្គគាត់ផ្ចិត
ចាវាអត់មានតតឹងវាអត់មានបណ្ដោយទេប៉ុន្តែវាមាន radius អូខេដើម្បី
មានន័យថាពាក់កដាលមាត់ពាក់កដាលទៅមាត់វា5អញ្ចឹងហ៎ពាក់កដាលនេះអត់
ដូចកំប៉ុងនេះ
អូខេ
កំប៉ុងនេះពីកដាលហ្នឹងមកហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹង5ហ្នឹងហើយពេលហ្នឹងយើងគុណដូចគ្នាប៉ុន្តែយើងអត់មានបណ្ដោយយើងអត់មានតតឹងយើងគេឲ្យ number មួយទៀតដែលខលថា pi ហេ so យើងនឹងយកអា5ហ្នឹងគុណយើងអាចហៅអា5ហ្នឹងយើងអាចហៅថា radius ដូចតតឹងបណ្ដោយជាមួយគ្នាអញ្ចឹងចាស់ឲ្យវាស្រួលចាំណាយកអា5ហ្នឹងគុណនឹងយើងហៅអា5ហ្នឹងថាបណ្ដោយទៅចុះយើងគុណនឹង pi ហើយគុណនឹង3ប៉ុន្តែអានេះមុននឹងគុណនឹង
3ហ្នឹងយើងយកអា3បញ្ឈរហ្នឹងមែន
ចា3បញ្ឈរកម្ពស់ហ្នឹងហើយ
អូខេ
ប៉ុន្តែមុននឹងគុណហ្នឹងត្រូវយកអា5ហ្នឹងទៅ square វាសិន so ត្រូវយក5ហ្នឹងគុណនឹង5
មានន័យថាមាត់វាហ្នឹងវាមាន5 2ដងបានពេញមាត់វាអញ្ចឹង
ហ្នឹងហើយ5 2ដងបើមាត់ហ្នឹងវា10 12ដងបើមាត់ហ្នឹង20 22ដងអញ្ចឹងណា
so មិនត្រូវគុណជាមួយនឹង
មាត់ហ្នឹងគុណនឹងមិនគុណនឹង2ដងឯងសុំទោសគុណនឹងខ្លួនវាបើមាត់នឹង20គឺថាគុណនឹង20បើមាត់នឹង5គុណនឹង5គុណនឹងខ្លួនវាណាហើយដល់ពេលអញ្ចឹងទៅនេះអា5គុណនឹង5ហ្នឹងវាមិនបាន25ហើយគុណនឹងខ្លួនវាហើយរួចទៅគុណនឹង pi ហ្នឹងយើងដឹងហើយ25ត្រូវគុណនឹង pi ហ្នឹងគេឲ្យហើយដែលគុណថា
3.5
pi ហ្នឹងស្មើនឹងប៉ុន្មាន
3.14 អូខេឥឡូវ
អាហ្នឹងទូទៅហ្មងហ៎អត់មានសម្រាប់អាណាមួយ
ឲ្យតារអាស្ករផែនហ្នឹងត្រូវចាំអាផាយហ្នឹងចារស្ករផែនហ្នឹងចាំផាយចឹងហើយចាដល់ពេល20 25គុណនឹង 3.14 បានប៉ុន្មាន
78.5
ហ្នឹងហើយឥឡូវគុណនឹងកម្ពស់ហើយកម្ពស់3 right
គុណនឹងកម្ពស់235.5
yes okay TV is that ត្រូវទេ
What number?
Number 6
2 3 5.5 why 6
អូ round ទៅ 6.5 round ទៅវាទៅ 6
អានេះគេហៅ round up ឯង
ល្អច្រើន
ប៉ុន្តែ no ប៉ុន្តែចំនួនហ្នឹងវាជាស្អីវាជា surface area ឬក៏វាជា
volume
volume អូខេ
volume អានៅក្នុងហ្នឹងនៅក្នុងយើងឥឡូវហ្នឹងយើងកុំ worry about surface
teacher អាហ្នឹងបើលេខហ្នឹងគេអត់ឲ្យដាក់វាចុចទេអញ្ចឹងវាទៅតម្លើងទៅជា6វិញអត់ទៅ 5.5 ទេ
វា2 3
វាលើពី5ត្រឹម5ឡើងគេគិតមួយ
អញ្ចឹង
មួយបើក្រោមពី5ហ្នឹងគេចោលអញ្ចឹងទៅ
ហេតុអីបានចោលចោលអាលេខធម្មតាមិនក៏មានចុច
វាមិនលើវាមិនក្របចំនួនតែគេបាន9.4 អញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាគេគិតតែ9បន្ទុះហ៎បើ 9.5 គេគិត
ឧទាហរណ៍សួរអ្នកគ្រូមួយវិញឥឡូវគាត់ថាអាហ្នឹងគឺជានេះណាចាត់ទុកថាជាកណ្ដុងដាក់ប្រេងឬក៏បារាស់សាំងមួយសម្រាប់ដាក់ប្រេង
ចា
អញ្ចឹងហើយនៅពេលដែលយើងយកអាហ្នឹងគុណកម្ពស់គុណនឹងអាផាយគុណអីសពគ្រប់ហើយវាចេញដូចជា2 23ឧទាហរណ៍235.5 អញ្ចឹងយើង round up វាមកដល់ 236 អញ្ចឹងនៅពេលដែលយើងចាក់សាំងទៅអាចត្រូវនឹងអ្វីដែលយើង round up ហ្នឹងអត់
បើសិនណា L class គេយកប្រអីអានេះបើគិតជាលុយវិញវា 235
គេ turn off share
ជួនកាលគេឲ្យ round ជួនកាលគេមិនបាច់ round ទេ so អញ្ចឹងក៏ត្រូវដែរយកលេខ
បើលុយយើង round up វាចំណេញណាប៉ុន្តែស្អីដូចជា
so អាហ្នឹងជួនកាលគេប្រាប់ថាឲ្យ round ជួនកាលគេប្រាប់ថា approximately ហ្នឹង 236 ហ្នឹងហើយអូខេអញ្ចឹងយើងមើលទៅក្រោមមើល number 9 អូខេដៃគុណបញ្ញាដៃគុណសានមើល number 9 ចា number 9 number 9គេអស់លេងណាចា number 9គេឲ្យកម្ពស់ 3 ដែរមិនអញ្ចឹងហ៎ចាធុងប្រេងហ្នឹងគេវាមានកម្ពស់ 3 ចឹងដែរក៏ប៉ុន្តែគេអត់ឲ្យ radius ទេគេហៅថា diameter so diameter ហ្នឹងវាពាក្យកណ្ដាល radius អាមាត់កំប៉ុងហ្នឹងវាមកពីនេះទៅដល់នេះអូខេ so យើងធ្វើម៉េចដើម្បីឲ្យវាចេញ radius យើងត្រូវចែកវានឹង2យល់ទេចា so 12ចែកនឹង2បានប៉ុន្មាន6យើងគុណនឹង6ទៀតព្រោះអី
6គុណនឹង6ចេញ36
ចា36ឥឡូវយើងបាន36ហើយណាហើយយើងគុណនឹង3គុណនឹងកម្ពស់
អត់គុណផាយសិនណា
យ៉ាខាន់គុណនឹងផាយសិនគុណនឹងផាយសិនហ្នឹងចឹងចាគុណនឹងផាយហ្នឹងហើយ
បន្ទាប់ទៅ
គុណនឹងកម្ពស់
គុណនឹងកម្ពស់វាមាន3
ចា
អត់ទាន់ទេសារថ្មីឥឡូវកត់នេះ
អូខេម្ដងទៀតចឹងខ្ញុំឥឡូវអានេះពី10នេះណាពី10គេហៅ diameter យើងអត់ដឹងទេប្រៃយើងចង់រក radius so radius ហ្នឹងវាមកកន្លះអា diameter ហ្នឹង right yes so បើសិនណាយើងដឹងថា radius ហ្នឹងវាមកកន្លះអា diameter ហ្នឹងយើងយកអា12ហ្នឹងមកចែកនឹង2
12មកពីណា
12ហ្នឹងគេឲ្យយើងគេថា diameter អាមាត់កំប៉ុងហ្នឹង
វាអានេះវាទាំងមូលវាអត់ដូចមុនមកខាងទេណា
ហ្នឹងហើយត្រូវហើយអាមកខាងគេហៅ radius អាទាំងមូលហ្នឹងគេហៅ diameter
yes
ចាហើយដល់ពេល12ហ្នឹងយកមកចែកនឹង2វាបាន6មិនចឹងហ៎ហ្នឹងហើយយើងថាយើងយកអា radius ហ្នឹងគុណនឹង radius ហ្នឹង
គុណ
ប្រអី
ខ្លួនឯង
វា radius square នេះ radius square ហ្នឹងយើងគុណនឹង radius ហ្នឹង so that mean 6 គុណនឹង 6 so 6គុណនឹង 6 បាន
តាម6
ហ្នឹងហើយបាន 36 ណា 36 យើងយកមកគុណអូ
36គុណនឹងកម្ពស់
គុណនឹងកម្ពស់គុណនឹងផាយមុនក៏បានគុណនឹងកម្ពស់មុនក៏បានគុណនឹងផាយវាបានប្រមាណទៅហើយនឹងគុណនឹង3ទៅ
The answer and explanation begin on page 683
Này, cùng nè, mơ nè, hai mẹ nè, you mơ choi nè, read the problem right here. The instruction tell her to add 1 scoop of the product for every 20 cubic feet.
TV
So you have to divide by 20.
TV
Yeah.
we just try to find the volume we you know
Okay, the volume is 339, done. Volume is 339.
No, 339.12.
Okay, very good. So, excellent job. Now you'll how to find the volume of rectangular prism, square prism, and cylinder.
អាហ្នឹងយើងគុណយើងយក6គុណ1ហើយ3គុណហើយគុណនឹង3មុនឬគុណ3.4 មុនអាហ្នឹងអត់សំខាន់ណាស់ឲ្យតែគុណ
សំខាន់
តម្លៃ
ឥឡូវគេដាក់ radius square ហ្នឹងណា formula វា r square ហ្នឹង why don't យើងគុណអាហ្នឹងមុននឹងយើងគុណជាមួយ pi ប៉ុន្តែវាអត់
multiply any order. 3
Yeah.
times 2 is the same as 2 times 3. It doesn't matter the order. ដូចគ្នាគុណអាណាមុនក៏បានដែរ
Yeah គុណ pi មុនក៏បានគុណ3មុនក៏ពោះមុនក៏បាន
មានចម្ងល់មួយ
ចាកណា
ខាងលើមានន័យថាឥឡូវយើងឧទាហរណ៍ថាកំប៉ុងទៅចុះណា
ចា
ខាងលើវាប្រាប់តែពាក់កណ្ដាលកំប៉ុងទេហើយដល់ពេលទៅយើងត្រូវយកអាចំនួនហ្នឹងគុណនឹងខ្លួនឯងប៉ុន្តែដល់អានេះប្រាប់ពីប្រវែងពីមាត់កំប៉ុងមកជាហៀងទៅមកជាហៀងហ្នឹងគឺវា12
ចា
ហេតុតែបាន
ចែកខ្លួនឯង2
No
ចែក2ប្រ
ច
អី
ង់និយាយយល់ហើយកាលណាបើយើងកាត់ជា2គឺវាចេញជា2មានន័យថាវាតគ្នា2ហ្នឹងបានវាស្មើនឹងមាត់កំប៉ុង1
ហ្នឹង
ប៉ុន្
ហើ
តែ
យ
ហេតុអីនៅពេលដែលវាកាច់ជា2ហើយចាំបាច់គុណខ្លួនឯងទៀត
អាគុណនឹងខ្លួនឯងហ្នឹងអា radius ហ្នឹងformula គេត្រូវធ្វើអញ្ចឹងព្រោះអីយើងវាអាកំប៉ុងហ្នឹងវាពិបាក that's why គេឲ្យអាលេខ pi ហ្នឹងណាដើម្បីបើសិនណាrectangular យើងបណ្ដោយគុណនឹងតឹងគុណនឹងកម្ពស់មែនណាដល់ពេលអា circle ហ្នឹងត្រូវបណ្ដោយគុណនឹងតឹងអត់មានទេមានតែតឹងឡើងគេមិនទាំងហៅតឹងផងគេហៅ radius square ហើយគុណនឹង pi អាហ្នឹងវាបានទៅជាបណ្ដោយហើយនឹងតឹងពេល radius square គុណនឹង pi អាហ្នឹងវា formula វាចេញជាតឹងគុណនឹងបណ្ដោយហើយយើងបានអាតឹងគុណបណ្ដោយហ្នឹងហើយយើងយកមកគុណនឹងកម្ពស់មិនដែរយល់ទេ
យល់ចង់ថាអាហ្នឹងវាត្រូវដកតែបើយើងយកអាខ្លួនវាទាំងអស់ទៅគុណនឹង6មកវាលើសខ្ញុំណាលើសអញ្ចឹងយើងត្រូវដកពាក់កណ្ដាលសិនបើយកទៅគុណជាមួយនឹង6បាន
ហ្នឹងហើយប្រអីវាដូចគុណបញ្ញាមានចាហ្នឹងហើយយើងវាពីមួយខាងទៅមួយខាងហ្នឹងហើយឥឡូវយើងសម្គាល់ថាខ្លួនយើងចេះរក the volume of rectangular prism ហើយចេះរក the volume of the circle or cylinder យល់ទេ
Yes
សូល្ងាចនេះយើងរៀនបានច្រើនណាយើងរៀនថ្នាក់ទី12អូសាសនាទី12ផងមិនធម្មតាណា mình thầm đà nó nặng thì đập pi á là nghiệt ní hả
អត់ដែលចូលសាលាសោះហើយមករៀនថ្នាក់ទី12ងាប់
ý bên đại con bên nhà lươn mong ok ok thì vì đã mình mùi tiền mới ai đại con xạ à rụp mà nhất thì vì no not that one yes anh đang dừng thơ rồi giấy à mùi tiền đó thì vì mình nhá no that
អត់
one
ទៅ
I
ពេលយក
saw
ចឹងទៅដូចចង់រៀនអ្នកគ្រូទៅពេលពីដំបូងអត់ interest ដូចបិទឈឹងនោះចង់អត់
nè nè oh nè thì vì rụp number 9 ok đại con bánh nha hay năng đại con xa nè à bảo ọp này tí rồi nè
ងាណាំណាញ
nè nè bảo ọp nè khơi bảo ọp rụp này hết
ឥឡូវគេសួរអី
nhầm ạ rô bao nhiêu mấy cái nam
អូ
ấy
គេឲ្យរក value មែន number A
dạ
អឺ
con bản đáo con năng của po
4 3ដង12 12 2ដង24
very good yes trời ơi very good oh cm square thì we can you write cm square yeah anh ấy cái how unit trời đạn chăng okay but I khơi centimeter square okay cái con tư về chành chăng nè very good okay so I think you have one more
okay one
ព្រោះ
more
អា pyramid នេះជា pyramid នេះ
oh pyramid okay ohនេះđại con san đại con banya thơ number 1 2 3 and 4 thế thơ rùm hạt nữa
1 2 3 1 2 3 and 4
đây nè oh cầm rô surface rô ta volume dan sana
rô volume á
dạ volume number 1 dân thơ từng óc kia của bạn đây nè volume number 1 man
14ដងបាន14ដង24 24 3ដង24 6 72
72 ត្រូវទេ
maybe I don't know
yes
okay 3 4ដង 12
12 6ដង
ចា 12 6បងដឹងប៉ុន្មានទេ
72
very good okay number 3 then go to number 3
2ដង 4 4 2ដង
8 very good ទៅ number 5
number 5 yeah number 5 number 5
yeah
number 5អានោះដូចគ្នាណា
22ដង
12 4ដង12 4 12 4ដង 48 48និង5 I don't know
48និង5
120
120 very good good job ហើយទៅ number 6
number 6 8 ដងប្រហែល
8 ដង 64ណា
8ដង 64 84ដង 72
តែកុនសាន
512
512
512
64
Yes.
times 8 512 very good okay
ឡូ
number ចាប់ហើយ
ដើម្បីស្នុកព្រៀនស្នំបងចាណាក់គ្រូកាលផ្ញើអានឹង formula ហ្នឹងប្រគេនលោកអស់លោករៀនចាំម៉ត់មើលចូលរូបដែរណាអាណាជា pyramid អាណាជា
អត់ទេបើសិនជាអាច
យំអាណា
លោកគ្រូអញ្ចេះវិញ
ចាកណា
បើសិនជាអាចយើងអាច separate គ្នាវិញព្រោះបើមិនអញ្ចឹងកុំឲ្យរំខានអារម្មណ៍លោកគ្រូដែលចេះហើយព្រោះកណាតែនេះកណាឆ្ងល់សួរច្រើនណាអត់ចេះ
អត់ទេសួរច្រើននឹងហើយល្អចាសំខាន់ទាំង
separate ទៅអត់មានពេលយើង separate យើងអត់មានពេលទេយើងមិននឹងយើងដឹកត្រាប់នឹងដំរអានពេលវាចន្លោះពេលណាមានតែដល់ពេលណាផ្សេងពេញអត់ហ្នឹងมองណាក៏ផ្សាយដែរនៅតែថ្ងៃអាទិត្យមួយហ្នឹង ngày sócយើងផ្សាយដែរប៉ុន្តែយើងផ្សាយ
ឥឡូវអញ្ចឹងចឹងយើងរៀនប្រហែល2ម៉ោងហី
2 ម៉ោង
ឥឡូវកណាសុំតែកន្លះម៉ោងអញ្ចឹងរៀនពី basic មកហើយ1ម៉ោងកន្លះលោកគ្រូនិមន្តរៀនមុនចាស់និមន្តយក1ម៉ោងកន្លះទៅហើយទុកកន្លះម៉ោងឲ្យកណារៀន
មានអីអញ្ចឹងបានឲ្យតែម៉ោងទៅក្នុងម៉ោងនេះ
ទាំងមួយគ្នាទៅ
អត់ទេមែនតែយើងរៀនប្រាប់គ្នាទៅដែរហើយ
រៀនធម្មតាអញ្ចឹងនឹងបានឲ្យតែក្នុងម៉ោងនេះប៉ុន្តែបើ
មួយគ្នាទៅពីណា
ហ្នឹងហើយបើថាម៉ោងផ្សេងបានទេម៉ោងផ្សេងគឺពេញអត់មានម៉ោង
ម៉ោងជាមួយគ្នាប៉ុន្តែយកកន្ទុយម៉ោងទៅកន្លះម៉ោងហ្នឹង
ដូចថ្ងៃសុក្រទៅយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមម៉ោង 4 ដល់ម៉ោង 6 ណាពុកសម្រាប់បានដល់ម៉ោង 1 ម៉ោងហើយម៉ោង 7 ណាផ្សាយដល់ម៉ោង 8 ជាងទៅអញ្ចឹងវាអត់ខ្ញុំទេថ្ងៃអាទិត្យហ្នឹងវាស្អាត
ណាមែនតែយើងរៀនក្នុងម៉ោងទៅ
ថ្ងៃហ្នឹងបានមានយើងបានមានម៉ោងបាន 2 ម៉ោងហើយដល់ថ្ងៃផ្សេងមកពេញអស់អត់មានពេលទេថ្ងៃណាក៏ផ្សាយដែរយើងប្រហែល
បើមែនតើបើសិនជាផ្ញើរូបមន្តមកអាចចាំប៉ុន្តែបើអត់ចេះពាក្យក៏ស្ដាប់អត់ទាន់ដដែលណាអញ្ចឹង
តែយ៉ាងហោចណាស់ត្រូវរៀនរូបមន្តដែរត្រូវមើលរូបមន្ត
កណាហ្នឹងត្រូវចាំអញ្ចឹង
យ៉ា
ចាំ
យ៉ា
រូបមន្ត
យ៉ាមក
ចានេះមកលេខចេះមកដឹង
នៅក្នុងសភៅដែលកូនមានតា
ហើយដល់គ្រូ3អង្គហើយនេះមានហើយសភៅមានស្រាប់ហើយមានស្រាប់មានគ្រប់តំណងហើយរូបណា
it's in your book
ណែរូបណាក៏មានដែរអាគិតអំពីប្រទេសarea ក៏មានគិតក៏មានគិតsurvey ក៏មានដែរមានរូបមន្តស្រាប់យើងមានក្នុងស្ពោយើងស្រាប់ហើយលោកគ្រូយើងត្រូវផ្ញើអានឹងទៅប្រគេនដើម្បីចាំណា
how about ចេះវិញ
កណាអត់មានទីអង្គហ្នឹង
ចាចេះវិញទៅwe can have GED math 1 and GED math 2 so
GED is GED so whatever is in the book that's what we go by
មានន័យថាមិនចាំបែងស្លាទេពួកក៏មានពេលអញ្ចឹង
ហ្នឹងហើយបានថា so why don't ព្រោះអីវាពិបាកដល់ពេលចាប់អត់បានទៅជាដូច
ជាគ្រូសុំអញ្ញាតដាក់ខ្មាញ់ក៏បានដែររៀនទៅអស់គ្នាអញ្ចឹងទៅឲ្យតែក្នុងពេលហ្នឹងវាអត់អីទេយើង
ហើយរៀនប៉ុណ្ណឹងក៏រៀនជាមួយគ្នាទៅ
អញ្ចឹងទៅ
ជាមួយគ្នាទៅ
តែដល់បែងចែកបន្ទប់គឺអត់មានម៉ោងទេអត់
ទេរៀននៅក្នុងម៉ោងដដែលទេប៉ុន្តែគាត់ថាកណាសុំកន្លះម៉ោងដើម្បីសួរលំដាប់ផ្សេងចឹងទៅកណា
នឹងឲ្យតែក្នុងពេលហ្នឹង
ដល់ម៉ោងជាមួយគ្នាកណាអាចចូលស្ដាប់ឬក៏ចូលរៀនជាមួយក៏បានដែរប៉ុន្តែដល់ពេលកន្លះម៉ោងចុងក្រោយកណាសុំ basic វិញ
អូខេវាឲ្យតែក្នុងម៉ោងហ្នឹងក៏បានដែរអូ
Okay I agree